Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. And a couple of weeks ago, one of our better listeners, have asked to perhaps share a comprehensive overview on the production of jams and jellies. And so I decided to dedicate this episode on the matter. As you know, making jams, jellies, and marmalades is a delightful way to enjoy the taste of seasonal fruits all year round. And whether you're an experienced chef or a novice, creating homemade preserve is a fun and a rewarding experience that captures the essence of each ingredient. This particular craft offers a hands-on flavorful adventure that nurtures a deep appreciation for homemade goodness. And from berry jams to citrusy marmalades, the possibilities are truly endless. Preserves are made by adding sugar to fruits and thickening or jellifying them. Fruit jelly, jam, preserves, marmalades, and fruit butters are unique in their composition and preparation methods. In this podcast, I hope to share with you some of the intricacies and some of the things that I've learned through my years in the kitchen. Making jellied products requires a delicate balance of fruit, pectin, acid, and sugar to achieve the desired texture. High-quality flavorful fruits are essential as they provide a distinctive flavor and colors. Pectin, an all-around substance which is also natural, commonly found in fruits, creates the gel when mixed with an acid and sugar. However, the amount of pectin varies between fruits, so it's really important to combine them strategically in order to achieve the best gel possible for what we're looking for. It's also vital to note that commercially frozen and canned juices may not contain enough natural pectin, resulting in soft texture spreads. The acidity quotient is also critical, as too little or too much acid can impede gel setting or lead to an undesirable liquid loss, which is referred to as weeping. When using low-acid fruits, adding lemon juice is highly recommended. Commercial pectin products contain acid that help balance and contribute to the gelling aspect. Sugar is a preserving agent, flavorful enhancer, and a gelling facilitator primarily derived from cane and beet sources in traditional jelly or jam recipes. While corn syrup and honey may replace some sugar, it's essential to be cautious to prevent overshadowing the fruit flavor and compromising the gel structure. It's also vital to follow the tested recipe precisely, as insufficient sugar can impede gelling and foster the growth of yeast and molds. Reduced sugar jellies and jam can be made using modified pectin or gelatin or gum combined with non-caloric sweeteners of your choice, better if they are all natural. Additionally, concentrated fruit pulp, characterized by a lower liquid and sugar content, offers an alternative for crafting spreads with diminished sweetness. Another point of interest is the sterilized mason jars, which are essential to prevent the mold growth and maintain freshness and color when filling them with hot food. Always leave a quarter of an inch of headspace, seal them with a self-sealing lid, and process them for 5 minutes in a boiling water canner. The processing time may need to be adjusted if you reside at a higher elevation. I'm also advising you to use sterile jars to avoid weak gels. Additionally, sterilizing empty jars following the appropriate protocol is highly recommended. 2 fundamental methods exist in making jams and jelly. The standard method is tailored for fruits naturally abundant in pectin, and it doesn't require additional pectin. Conversely, the expedited commercial pectin method caters to a quicker production timeline. It's essential to be precise with the recommended quantity of pectin in order to achieve the gel that you're looking for. Overcooking is cautioned against, as it may compromise the gel's integrity. So as you can see, there are several little points to keep an eye while you're doing the jellification of a specific product. Moreover, pay attention to the batch size and continuously stir the mixture while cooking to ensure uniform gel consistency for each of the recipe developed for specific jar sizes. And finally, to avoid mold growth that can pose a concern and potential health risk, it's very important to use sterilized jars when canning and refrigerate the spreads made with gelatin and sugar substitute until it's time to use. In conclusion, dear listeners, making jams and jellies is both an art and a science. It requires careful attention to the ingredients, a precise methods, and a strict adherence to established recipes. And I hope this detailed examination have explained the complex process of gel formation, the sugar dynamics, and a way to reduce sugar content, while emphasizing how to prevent the unwanted spoilage. In this particular podcast, I will include a wonderful recipe made out of persimmon. It's a persimmon marmalade which I've used for years in my kitchens, and you will have added to your show notes. I want to thank you for joining me in this particular episode and for keeping me company. We'll reconnect on the next round with another wonderful topic here at Flavors and Knowledge. In the meantime, stay well and eat well. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.